I don't know what to say other than encourage young men. I think women are in a pretty solid position just because they complain about what they don't have or how bad shit is, but realistically, shit ain't really hitting the fan for bitches. They've gone through a couple stuff as far as, I'm not taking away from the years of abuse and all that shit that they've gone through. But the current market right now, crazy. Yo, $7 for 2 Gatorades, my nigga. That shit make a nigga want to start smoking cigarettes. $7 for 2 packs of two Gatorades. Like, did 2. I ain't even get 2. I say, you know what? Let me just get one of those. And be careful. I think I only got one because I ain't want to walk out empty-handed. God damn. Bro, I mean, it just goes to show, I gotta get really good at planning or make more money. Straight up. So that my buy for anybody that really believes that the educational system's got you. I'll tell you what's coming, bro. It's this at a higher level, bro. It's gonna be fucking 2 Gatorades at 14 by the time you graduate. This shit is not a joke. And it's not gonna be like you could afford it, yeah, because you're making double the amount, but the expenses is gonna be, that's what you need to pay attention to, is how much the normal shit is going for. Bro, I never thought I'd live a day with 2 Gatorades would be $7. What the fuck? That is abuse. I can't even get mad at Gatorade. We're talking something that I used to just take advantage of. I used to fucking spray my face with that shit like little water. During football practice. No, baby! That Gatorade, man. That Gatorade! Stop wasting the Gatorade. Now this shit costs $7 a pop. Come in 3 something a pop. Ask me if I'm gonna buy another Gatorade from the gas station again. Hell no, I'm gonna see that Gatorade and say, fuck you. It's a whole gallon of milk right here, dog. Damn, that's how you know a nigga ain't making money. When a nigga worried about the cost of bread, he ain't making money. That's what it is. Call it how I see it. Look at that fucking Ford. Bro, if I ever got a fucking, if I was able to get, alright, my level up, I'm not getting a brand new Ford, bro. I'm getting me like that shit was clean. That was, I'm not sure if it was just a regular Ford F-150 or F-250, but it had a diesel engine. It looked like a regular body Ford. Older year. It looked like a 2000 and less than 12, probably 15 or less. 15 or less for sure. But it was one of those clean models that didn't look too decked out. But this guy, he had it on aftermarket suspension. Just wheels had a solid offset. I mean, they just looked nice. It sat perfect on them. And they had that fucking aggressive scream. Not even scream. It's an aggressive I'm here. I can't even really do it because it's kind of, anyway, it's got that noise and it's got the winding noise. It sounds aggressive, and it just look clean, simple, all white, tinted windows, stock as fuck. It was like an OEM as fuck truck. Like that's how I would fix my truck. Not too much. I don't want to be the biggest, tallest. I ain't trying to do all that. I just want something simple, jacked up a little bit, but not too much. Just make it look right. Some nice fucking fat tire, but not the fattest. Just like a nice fucking aggressive looking tire. And then a couple of decals. But most like, I mean that white look, that color looks straight white and the basic white and black. But I never thought about the color. What color would I go with on the truck? I thought about colors for bikes, but not really on the truck. For a truck, I would get, you can't go wrong with the black. Let the black on the truck. I don't want to be too loud on the truck. I get the all black. I wouldn't mind all white either. I mean, I just like those colors regardless. I don't like too loud of a color on my car. Don't need it. On a bike, I mean, maybe I can get away with it, but lights, I swear to God, they been waiting for me to change. Look, like, they've been green the whole time while I'm pulling up. What? Ask me if I'ma stop, dude. Ask me if I'ma stop, dude. Clear. No, this one ain't changed on me. Good. Nice. Thank you, Lord. Good choice, boy. Good choice. That's a nice little restaurant. You know what I thought about? I was listening to Alex Hormozy. And it's funny because I was listening to him, and then for a second I was like, "What the fuck am I listening to this?" And it's crazy because the thoughts that he had about. All right, so this is a question that I've had. When I move to a place, I ask myself, like, what the fuck am I supposed to even look for, right? Like, how do you make a decision in terms of where to move to? And he was speaking what he was looking for, decisions he was making, what he was making decisions off of. And I guess I was kind of limited when I make some decisions, when it came to me making a decision to where I'm at right now. I'm not gonna say limited because I'm making decisions based off emergency and needs, not necessarily what I want. You know what I mean? Like I need to make sure that the bases are taken care of. But a lot of it fell into the same. Like I suppose the only thing that would change would be the actual location for me. Would be that physical location. But outside of that, I mean, I think I'm in the right city, in the right place that I want to be. It's the right type of state, city, but not in a pinpointed, correct geographical location. Like maybe further northwest or some shit, something like that. But not too far out. Like I wouldn't want to be way out there. Yeah, there was just a couple things that he said he paid attention to, he looked for, and it really helped me to frame my thoughts on, I guess, what to look for. Like, so one of the decisions he said was an airport, and then another one was having restaurants, and then another thing was having not just restaurants but having a grocery store.
he was like, and I have one. And I never realized how actual. I mean, I don't go to it often. I usually go to another one, but it's on my way home from work, so it works out for me. But I kind of see, like, I see the benefit. I see how that could be super beneficial. It just works out. It's like it's near for me because I'm passing every day, and if I needed to, I absolutely do have one that I could pull up next to. But that is actually a convenience. I fuck with that criteria. Another thing is I fuck with another criteria to the airport. I mean, I'd like to say that's important to me. But it made me think about it from a future point of view. Like, damn, having that as a criteria for my future. It sounds good. It sound rich. Like I'm making good decisions. Yeah, I gotta live next to the airport about 15-20 minutes. Hey, but to keep it a stack though, from what I noticed, next to the airport, the bitches is where it's at. That's where all the bitches I had a call over there today by the airport. I had to fucking, man, I was mad as hell. Drove like 40 minutes, 50 minutes just to pick up this damn port. To hear this nigga say, oh my guy, within 10 minutes. I'm like, alright, 10 minutes, okay. And then a few minutes pass and then somebody else talk about he's talking in Spanish. Tell him that the guy's gonna come in 10 minutes. I'm like, alright, I see where this is going. These fuck boy playing. So I ended up expensive ass Gatorade. I said, alright, I just walked off. I said, man, I see what these boys doing. And I walked off. And then he texted me, called me like, yo, you really love him? Yeah, nigga, fuck wrong with you? Talk about some 10 minutes. And then that's not even the problem. I just hate when people just come up with a random ass. I already know. If you give me a 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I know you lying. Straight up. Don't give me that shit. I be asking, yo, is it a real 10 minutes or you just lying? Because if you lying, I'm leaving, bro. I'm putting a timer on your ass and I'm leaving if you lying. You gotta keep it a stack. I'll fucking wait an hour if I have to, man. Just be real. The fuck? Motherfucker be lying. But he was like, yo, my dude showed up. That's like a minute right after you left. And I was like, alright, man, I just have the key in the center console, but I'll be back. Got me 4 hash browns from Dunkin' Donuts. Man, shut the fuck up. That's how you know you're going to be talking to dogs. And some cafe con leche. Then I went to go get that bitch. But what I noticed, I was out there by an airport. The whole point of me saying this is I was by an airport. This sesame chicken was good. Yep. All these fucking dogs will walk me home every time. I wonder if they ever gonna say, I know this nigga. I remember this from yesterday. Maybe not. I don't know. But hopefully. I mean, I thought dogs at some point they remember people. I don't fucking know. Dogs are smart. He don't be looking angry. His tail be wagging and shit. Maybe he's just happy. I'm not willing to risk it at all. Fuck that. But in the case that he is excited, happy for him. And I came home realistically. Don't got my laptism. I don't got my laptop.
but that's okay. So instead of waiting an hour at a Panera Bread or Dunkin' Donuts at a place with a Wi-Fi, a spot, I'll just chill here. Got a nice plea. Summertime, 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 summertime.